Your laundry is taking too long. We know the surprising reason. You've probably noticed that the program often lasts longer than what's shown on the display and barely changes. Here's why and what you can do about it. The first possible reason is the valve connected to your washing machine. Check if it's fully open. If it's not, the machine takes longer to fill with water. Another crucial step is to inspect the washing machine filter to ensure it's not clogged, as this affects its performance. Overloading the drum is another common reason for extended washing times. Make sure not to exceed the recommended load. As you might guess, this is a very common issue. When doing laundry, make sure to leave about 1/5 of the drum empty. Also, check your washing machine's load capacity to avoid overloading, which automatically extends the washing process. Another mistake many people make is using too much detergent or fabric softener. Excess suds signal the machine to work longer. Follow the instructions on the detergent label for the correct amount to use. By following these tips, you'll make your washing machine run more efficiently and save yourself time. Do not hang wet clothes this way. You can fit many more pieces of clothing in the dryer. Most people hang clothes on the metal crossbars of the dryer. This way, only 5 shirts fit on one wing. It turns out that many more can fit on this part of the dryer. Take some clothespins and grab the shirt by the bottom, then fasten it across the wing. Next, hang another shirt in the same way. With this method, you can hang up to 10 shirts. Hang them side by side on the lower rack. Not only will you use space more efficiently, but the clothes will also dry faster. Fabrics hung like this have much better airflow. Thanks to this drying method, ironing is also much more enjoyable. Clothes straighten out under their own weight. My laundry has never smelled so beautiful and lasted so long as it does after adding this mixture. The fresh laundry scent fills the whole house, and the towels are exceptionally soft and fluffy. After trying this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemical products. You only need a few ingredients. Grab a bowl and a small cup or teacup. Fill the cup with salt, preferably sea salt, and pour it into the bowl. Add a cup of Epsom salt, which softens laundry perfectly. Then, add half a cup of baking soda to both salts. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. This combination helps remove detergent residues from fabrics and eliminates unpleasant odors. After adding this to your laundry, your clothes won't lose their color. To make the mixture smell beautiful, add 20 drops of your chosen essential oil. You can mix several scents or choose your favorite. Stir the oil into the mixture thoroughly. Prepare a jar to store this powder, then transfer everything into it. Now it's time to do your laundry. As usual, put everything in the washing machine, add your favorite detergent, and then add 2 tablespoons of this powder to the drum. You can use this mixture along with fabric softener, or you can skip it. When you take the laundry out, it will smell amazing. You'll be surprised at how much impact this simple addition has on the scent of your laundry. Yellow armpit stains will disappear. All you need is a brilliant homemade stain remover. Apply it to the shirt under the arms, and the yellow stains will vanish. See how to make a sweat stain remover. This will be your new ally in the fight against stains. Not only does it work effectively, but it also leaves a fresh scent and is environmentally friendly. To start, you need a tablespoon of baking soda. Put it in a bowl. Baking soda neutralizes odors and absorbs oils. Add a tablespoon of salt. Salt has antibacterial properties and absorbs moisture. These are the ingredients that effectively remove sweat stains. Add 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is an excellent stain remover due to its bleaching and disinfectant properties. Pour in 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar acts as a natural disinfectant and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Simply mix these ingredients to get a strong stain remover. It will tackle even the toughest sweat stains. Now apply the mixture directly to the stains. Every stain must be covered with the mixture. Leave it on for half an hour, or even longer. After this time, soak the shirt in a bowl of hot water. You'll see the stains disappear. Finally, just wash the shirt with the rest of your white laundry. This way, your favorite clothes will look like new. Give your clothes a second life with this simple solution. Thanks to these balls, my laundry is snow white without bleach. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemicals. You only need a few ingredients to make them yourself. The combination of these ingredients will work wonders for white laundry. First, grate the soap on a coarse grater. It is the cheapest disinfectant. It effectively removes hard-to-clean stains. Transfer the soap shavings to a bowl. Next, add half a cup of baking soda to the bowl with the soap. It is one of the most popular cleaning and laundry agents. It effectively removes stains and discolorations. Then, pour in 60 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. This not only effectively removes stains and whitens materials, but also acts as a disinfectant. Mix the prepared ingredients with your hands and form small balls from the resulting mixture. Press firmly to maintain their shape. Place them on another plate and let them dry a bit. Throw them into the drum every time you wash towels, bedding, or white clothes. After washing, you will notice the difference. Everything will be much whiter than usual. Sprinkle this on your laundry. Once you see the difference, you'll want to do it every day. Get a bowl and place your laundry inside. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt over it, followed by 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, pour in enough hot water to cover the laundry. Let it soak for a few minutes. Salt helps maintain color intensity, which is especially important for colored lingerie. It prevents fading. Baking soda softens fabrics, especially delicate materials like lace. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great disinfectant. After soaking, rinse the laundry thoroughly under running water. Dry it in a well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight, which can affect color durability. It's a simple and effective trick. Put your dirty socks in a bowl with water like this. They'll be clean and regain their white color. I don't waste time scrubbing socks anymore. I remove the dirt from them, but I don't have to rub them with my hands. Anyone who has white socks knows they get dirty quickly. They can turn gray and dirty in no time. If your socks look like this too, get a bowl ready and do what I do. Pour half a liter of hot water. Take baking soda. Baking soda is great for removing dirt. Measure out 1 tablespoon, put it in the bowl with water, and mix well until it dissolves. You need dishwashing liquid. It effectively removes various stains, even greasy ones. Measure out 1 tablespoon, and add it to the water. You also need vinegar. It softens water. Measure out 2 tablespoons and add them to the mixture. Stains and dirt will disappear faster thanks to it. Add another tablespoon of regular table salt. Our grandmothers already knew about the washing properties of salt. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients dissolve. The laundry mixture is ready. Now just soak the socks in it. Leave them in this water for a few hours. If the socks are heavily soiled, you can increase the amounts of each ingredient. After a few hours in the water, your socks will be clean. The dirt will disappear. This mixture always works and handles the most soiled socks.